This game is so cinema. Someone call Scorsese. Someone call him. Kyle. Kyle's doing so much damage. He doesn't have Shadow Kill though. Ogwen's coming in. Impossible steal. Tempest a blade. Oh, what? How? What? How? What the fuck? Oh my god! No! No way! What? Oh my god! How did they?
Ako minsan, di ko na-retry yun. Kalaban sila Ogwen, guys. Diba? Nag-lock ako dun, guys.
Aminado naman, eh, sorry pre.
At least aminado ka, guys. At least namang, after makuha, nag-4 blades ako, diba? Lumamang yung pagkabata moments, guys. Yung sasabi ko, guys.
Bawi lang guys, ilamang mo yung pagkabata.
That's what I'm talking about, guys.
Guys, makinig.
Lumalamang pa rin yung pagkabata nyo, guys, ha?
Makinig.
Diba? Nakuha ni Ogwen, nasuntok. Oh. After nun, sa depth, bumawi ako, guys. Bumawi sa depth, guys, diba? Kaya pag wala ka na nagagawa talagang matino, quit na.
Tama.